to open someone.
How to open,
So
yeah.
I meet my client. It's like, okay, hi, good morning, how are you doing?
Yeah.
So what's the topic today?
Opening.
Opening.
Yeah.
Right. What's the challenge with that?
Contraction. Before I can open somebody else up, I have to be open myself in order to be able to project.
Okay.
Right?
And what else?
Hmm?
And what else?
Energy requirement. The amount of energy that needs to be continually projected into the process of opening. And if, let's say, I'm doing it for 20 people, 30 people, how to manage that? Because maybe it's possible for one person, may not be possible for, I don't know, 100 people or 20 people within the day.
And what else?
What else? How to make it into a lifestyle and to make it sustainable every day, to make it a part of daily rituals, to be in that space where you're continually working, facilitating people, opening them.
And what's the challenge here?
Energy.
What's the real challenge?
Lack thereof,
Okay.
maybe.
What does that mean?
Finite energy. Finding the source of energy, finding a source to be able to continually be able to do that.
And what else?
To be connected to a source of energy continually. I see.
So what have you learned?
I know.
Right?
Yeah.
And
yeah.
you realized everything that you said, it comes into alignment with your subconscious and your higher self. It's there for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And all I said was, what's the challenge here? And what else? What have you learned? I think there was one other question I asked, wasn't there? That's it. Like, it's like three questions. But when you're using energy, and I'm not putting my perception in, I'm acting, when it's appropriate, I'm acting as a mirror for you. Your bodies are aligning, and the information is coming to you, and you don't even realize it. And then afterwards, you go, "Oh,
I need to journal. I need to journal the insight I
Absolutely.
had. This is such an important insight I just had.
That's coaching. That's coaching.